Darwin's finches. Darwin's finches have often been used as evidence to support the theory of evolution, that is, as we have learned, macroevolution. But science just does not support this idea. Now, for those that are not familiar with Darwin's finches, these were the birds that he believed gave some evidence that evolution was possible. He discovered these birds when he made his trip to the Galapagos Islands near South America. Darwin studied these birds week after week and noticed that the beaks of the birds on average increased in size when there was a famine. Now, this was necessary, he surmised, to get the seeds during a famine. The seeds were not as easy to get during one of these famines. Well, because of this increase, Darwin figured that the finch would eventually evolve into another kind of bird, or at least that this was possible. Later, Darwinists expanded this line of thinking and actually used the finch as a great illustration of how evolution took place. Well, little did Darwin or his followers realize that there were major flaws in this line of thinking. Number one, the finches remained finches. No evolution, that is macroevolution, ever occurred. Number two, the finch's beaks went back to the regular size once the drought was over. No evolution ever occurred. Darwin's finches gave no credence to the theory of evolution in any way. Thank you for visiting evosecrets.com, and we'll see you on the next video.